Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now it should be connected. Yeah. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So make sure that your headphones is turned on. And now press and hold power button to turn off it. Here we go, and after that press and hold again on the power button to turn on it. And we have connected again. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So click the information icon. Firstly, let's go to turn off it. And now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after that press and hold power button to turn on it, and you can wait until it automatically enters to pairing mode, but I just wait longer and manually enter to pairing mode. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, you should press and hold at the same time power button and noise control button right here at the right ear cup until your headphones is turned off. Here we go. Now release your finger and let's remove it firstly. Forget this device, forget device, and it enters to pairing mode automatically. So just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!